So today's class, it's a new topic. It's called change of signs and numbers. Change of signs and numbers. Okay, this is the topic. Illi signs andre nothing but the basic mathematic operations andre plus, minus, into and division. Okay, signs means just these four signs. Numbers andre are usual numbers. Okay. Yeah. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒನ್ ಸೈನ್, ಟೂ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್, ನೀವು ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಪುಟ್, minus place alli you should put plus. Two numbers are given, suppose question alli if my numbers are 2 and 5, each option alli neevu 2 place alli 5, 5 place alli 2 you should put and find the answer. So whichever option is correct, that will be your final answer. Idu one example question I will take, then it is easy to understand. Okay, so suppose one example, first question, it is given as plus and division, comma 8 and 6. Question, this is how the question is. Okay, question ee tara irutte. Now signs and numbers, what are the two signs here? Question alli which two signs are given?
Divided and plus.
Divided and plus, and the numbers are 8 and 6. So it meaning optionally plus, wherever there is plus, a place only division symbol you should put. Wherever there is divided symbol, only plus you should put. Okay, now coming to
Yes,
there are two numbers here, 8 and 6. So each option only 8 place only you should put 6, 6 place only you should put 8 and find the final answer. Okay, so options I'll give, then you'll understand it clearly. So here option minus 6 equal to okay, option B 24 divided by 8 minus 4 is equal to 3. Option C is 8 plus 2 into 6 is equal to 24. Option D is 16 minus 8 minus 8 is equal to 18. So the question is given and nimge 4 options ide. So here equal to, after equal to illi ena whatever answer is there, neevu answer change ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Before equal to, idu ena whatever expression is given here, these expressions are there, correct? These equations before equal to, so ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್?
divided.
Yes, in plus, if plus is given, nanu divided symbol I should put. If division symbol is there, what should I put? If division sign is there,
Plus.
Correct. Yes, so that is about signs. Coming to numbers, 8 place only what number should I give?
6.
And 6 place only
8. 8.
Yes, correct. So now each expression we should check. Okay, we will start with the first option. So first option only 9 will be written as 9 as it is. Now after 9 symbol ಅಂದ್ರೆ after 9 multiplication symbol ಇದೆ, but question ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is nothing given about multiplication, so multiplication symbol as it is you should write. Okay, next number is 6. 6 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Correct. In place of 6 it is 8 bracket minus also as it is I should write, because question only nothing is given about minus, so minus as it is. Even 10 I will write as it is, because question only nothing is given about 10. Only if 8 and 6 is there, adu nanu interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Any other number I will write as it is. So this is the expression. Okay, so now
Yes, ma'am.
check ಮಾಡಿ what is 9 into 8?
Ma'am, 72.
72 minus 10?
Ma'am, 62.
62. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ?
Ma'am, 62. Ma'am, 8.
ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 62 ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, now we'll come to next option.
Yes.
Option B. 24 as it is I should write. 24 divided sign. So illi nan ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What should I do here?
Ma'am, 6.
Plus. Plus. Next 8 ಇದೆ. 8 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ what should I put?
6. Ma'am, 6.
6. Then minus as it is. 4 also I'll write as it is. Okay, now what is this answer? What is 24 plus 6?
28.
24 plus 6.
Ma'am, 30.
24
Ma'am,
plus
30.
6 is 30. 30 minus 4?
Ma'am, 35.
30 minus 4?
26, ma'am.
26. Yes, answer match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Here it is 26, but here it is 3. So is it matching?
No, ma'am.
So that's
No,
why option B is also wrong. Okay, now next.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try the next one. Okay, so first 8 is there. In place of 8, what should I write?
6.
6. Plus, in place of plus, which sign should I give?
Divided.
Divided. 2 I'll write as it is. Next, multiplication as it is ಬರಬೇಕು. Now 6 ಇದೆ. In 6, what should I write?
8.
8.
8.
Now what is this first? What is 6 divided by 2?
Ma'am, 3.
3 into 8?
24.
24. Answer match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
So option C is the correct answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ how to check?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us just check for last option. Okay, so first number 16 as it is, minus sign as it is. 8 ಇದೆ. In place of 8, what should I give?
6.
Minus again, what should I give here?
Ma'am, 6.
Yes, so what is the answer? What is 16 minus 6?
Ma'am, 10.
10.
Ma'am, 10.
4.
10 minus 6, 4. So answer match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Here it is 18. It is not. So final correct answer is option C. So this is how you should check. Is artha aita? Did everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll do the next question now. Second question, multiplication and addition, 10 and 12. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so the options are option A 50 minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 32. Option B 80 divided by 16 into 12 is equal to 60. Option C is 52 into 8 minus 12 is equal to 10. Finally, option D is 64 divided by 8 plus 10 is equal to 96. Okay, this is the question. So, Illy, which two signs should I interchange?
Ma'am, into and plus.
Multiplication.
Correct. Into and plus. Multiplication and addition. Multiplication place only I should do addition, and in place of addition I should do multiplication. Which two numbers should I interchange?
10 and 12.
10 and 12. Correct. So we will start, okay, from the beginning. First option we'll check. 50 minus, what should I put in place of 10?
12.
Yes. 50 minus 12 in play plus is there. So instead of plus, what should I do?
Into.
50 minus 12 into 3. Yeah. So what is the answer? What is 50 minus 12?
38.
38 into 3.
114.
114. Answer match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 114 and here it is 32. Is it matching?
No, ma'am.
No. So option A is wrong. Next option B. First 80 as it is baritini. Division also I will write as it is. Divided by 16 into ide. So what should I put instead of multiplication? Plus. And 12 ide. So instead of 12 I should put 10. So idu answer, you know, what is 80 divided by 16?
Ma'am, 5.
5. 5 plus 10?
15.
Ma'am, 15.
15. So is the answer matching?
No, ma'am.
No. So option B is wrong. Next option C. 52 into ide. So instead of into, what should I do? Plus. 52 plus 8 minus 12 ide. So instead of 12, what should I do? 10. Correct. So this, what is the answer? What is 52 plus 8?
Ma'am, 60.
Yes. 60 minus 10.
50.
Ma'am, 70.
So is it matching?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So last option we will check. Now 64 divided by 8 plus ide. So instead of plus I should do into. Correct? And 10 ide. So instead of 10 I should do 12. Idu check. What is 64 divided by 8?
8.
8.
8 into 12?
96.
Yes. Answer match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So option D is the correct answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is how you should solve. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll solve one more question.
Yes,
Third question, it is minus and plus 9 and 7. Option A, 16 into 7 divided by 12 is equal to 40. Option B, 36 into 9 divided by 14 is equal to 18. Option C, 24 minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 17. Option D is 36 divided by 9 into 7 is equal to 129. Okay, so which two signs should I interchange?
Plus and minus.
Plus and minus. Which two numbers should I interchange?
9 and 7.
9 and 7. Correct. So first let's start with the first option. 16 into 7 ide. So instead of 7, what should I write? 9.
9.
Divided by 12. Okay, so what is 16 into 9?
144.
Divided by 12? One 144 divided by 12.
And 12.
Yes, squares of numbers. You forgot, everyone. What is 12 square? 12 square is 144. Okay, so 12. Is the answer matching? Match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ answer?
No, ma'am.
No. So option A is wrong. Now we'll check with the next option. Okay, so 36 into, instead of 9, I should write 7. Okay, now 7 divided by 14. So what is 36 into 7?
252.
Yes, divided by 14. 252 divided by 14.
18. ma'am.
18. Answer, is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is option B, but okay, let us check for C and D. Okay, so 24 minus ide. So instead of minus, what should I do? I should do plus. 6 illi plus ide. So instead of plus, I should do minus. And 9 ide. So instead of 9, I should write 7. So this, what is the answer? What is 24 plus 6?
30.
30 minus 7?
23.
23. So answer is not matching. Illi 23 there, but here it is given 17. So this is wrong. Next question. 36 divided by 9 ide. So instead of 9, I should give 7 into, instead of 7, I should give 9. Really nodi, 36 is not even divisible by 7. Correct? So it is straight away wrong. Andre namge some decimal answer baratte. So even this is wrong. So the correct option is option B. So idu artha aita? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Idu question pattern artha aita? So any kind of question, any numbers, any signs, can you all do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So nale shall I start a new topic then, or you want to continue this? Idu nimge proper agi artha aitu andre I will start a new topic tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so new topic is fine. Idu clear agi artha aita? Did everyone get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is easy, very straightforward. You should know which two signs interchanging and which two numbers should be interchanged. Okay, adu careful agi look at each option. Make sure you're interchanging at every sign and number, and then that's it. It's simple. Okay, it is simple mathematics. So okay, then that's it for today. We'll continue in the next class, and I will start a new topic. Okay then.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.